Good morning, sophomores. Happy snow day number 2. I hope you enjoy your second day off. Today you'll have another IXL. I'm pretty disappointed in the number of you that did not do IXL yesterday. You didn't even try. It's not like you even did half of it. It's because of students like you that'll take away digital days, which, just a reminder, would not be a good thing, because we would either have to make up those days at the end of the school year or come in on Easter Monday or President's Day and stuff like that when we're not supposed to have school. And if students continue to not do their digital days, that'll take that away and we'll have to do that on those days, which would be a huge bummer, because digital days aren't supposed to be that big of a deal. You know, it takes you 5 minutes times 6 classes or 7 classes and you're done in an hour. Okay, please do your digital days. Last week's IXL, Liam and Natalie, you still haven't done that. You need to do that, and if you need help, you need to ask me. Yesterday's IXL, Liam, Andy, Natalie, Peter, Tyler, Alex, Potter, and Courtney, you need to do that one. Just a reminder, that's in Algebra 1, so make sure you go out of geometry and into Algebra 1. If you need help, you need to let me know. Okay, I'll be around all day. Today's IXL will be in 8th grade. Make sure you change your grade again, and it's going to be Q2. Okay, and you only need to go to 40 on this one. Okay, it's not that it's hard and that you couldn't go past 40. It's just it kind of takes a little bit longer, and I don't want to spend too much of your day doing this. Okay, that's the goal. So you need to do that one. So I'll go over a couple of examples here. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do an example problem here as soon as it loads. So these are just on dilations. So this one says a scale factor of 5, so you need to multiply each of the points by 5. So you don't need to write out the coordinates or anything, but if it helps you write them on the side, that'd be fine. So this is at 0, -1, so I'd be at 0, -5. This one's at 1, -2, so I'd be at 5, -10. This one's at 2, -1, so I'd be at 10, -5. And my last point here is at 1, 1, so I'd be at 5, 5. Okay, so it'll tell you the scale factor. This one you multiply by 5 again. Sometimes it'll be a fraction. Remember, it's a fraction, you just divide. So remember, you only need to go up to 40 on this one, so you don't want to do too many problems. But if you need help, make sure you let me know. Please do your digital day.